Hi, Chiefs. How's it going? This is Mr. Fowler, your Media Center Director. Hope you're doing well during this prolonged spring break. And I know part of being on a prolonged spring break is boredom will set in, and you can only play so many video games. So, have I got the app for you? That is SoraApp.com. This is where you'll get all your free ebooks and audiobooks. Many of you have heard about this, but in case you haven't, please go here. Let's go to your browser, type in SoraApp.com. Now, it might give you this the first time you sign up, and you'll have to find your school. Click on Find My School, type in Thunderbird High School. It will take you there, and you'll sign in with your school credentials. Or you can click I have a setup code and type in Glendale AZ, and it will take you right there. Either way, you'll use your school credentials one time, sign up, and then you're good to go. Now, what does it look like? Here it is. We have our choice of our whole book catalog here online. Everything categorized perfectly. Popular subjects, what's new, unlimited checkouts, always available fiction, and so on and so on. So if you're bored over this prolonged break, please give Sora a try. And I will be updating you with little pro tips on how to navigate Sora and check out audiobooks. So I will be getting back with you guys next week. Be safe, Thunderbird.